Hello everyone, let's learn how to change TikTok username before 30 days. Many of you only know that users have to wait for next 30 days to change their TikTok username. Otherwise, it is not possible to change the TikTok username within 30 days according to the TikTok officials. But there is a possibility to change the username. Just watch the video till the end and find out how. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, if I open TikTok app and go to try to change my username, when I try to change username you can see that TikTok doesn't allow me to change my username because I already changed in last 30 days. But I have solution for that and you can change your username, just follow my steps to the end. So go on the horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. That will open side menu, and next you need to click on last option settings and privacy. Now you are on settings menu, and you need to scroll down to support and about section, and when you come on that click on report a problem. Next you need to find username option. You can scroll down to find it, or you can go on search bar and type username. That is easiest way. On this menu is the rules on changing username are written. But that didn't interested us, so we need to scroll on the bottom of menu. And you can see option is your problem resolved, and next go to click on no. Next scroll more down, and go on I need more help. Now you need to type a TikTok community your problem. You need to write a something like this, and when you finish, go on submit and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.